RC Project Rat Rod Part 3.
It ended up looking like a mix of the Griswold's family truckster and Homer Simpson's futuristic car. So the new features I put on the body are the fenders, front and rear. Then I added rear view mirrors, tail fins, the guns, the foam board bumpers, some mesh window. The front windows, I'm going to reinforce them with, it was just a beer can. I cut it out and it'll go over that, and this piece will go over that. These will still have the aluminum or steel look to it. For the side windows, I have 3 different types, and I'm not sure what I'm going to use yet. This is a coat hanger cut up that I can put as bars. I got just clear plastic I took from an action figure blister pack and scratched it up so I can fit from the inside. And these are old sunglasses that I kind of just melted so they would fit in place to get a good tinted window. I did the same trick with the front headlight covers. They're just clear plastic that I scratched up. And the grill is the coat hangers that I glued on there. And once again, it gives strength to the car. One of the best parts about this is that the headlights are going to be functional. So that's in place right there. And these will actually fit inside of the body while it's on the frame. So let's give it a little test. Oh yeah, she works. Soon enough, this baby will be out in the wasteland. I wasn't kidding when I said this is a rat rod or a rat RC car. Trust me, it could be worse. This thing could be held together with, I'm surprised it's not held together with bubble gum and Elmer's glue. So what I mean by that, being a rat RC car, is I didn't know if I was going to be able to get bushings for the front tires. So I made 2 out of buttons and painted them pink in case they rolled off the car. I was going to find them again. This is a metal button that I drilled out to fit in there. And this is a plastic one I made to fit in there. But luckily, through RJ Speed, I ordered new bronze bushings to go on the tires. Well, that'll make a cool decal too. I could probably paste that on the frame somewhere. And I got new king pins and the nuts that hold the front tires on. This is also part of the body that I made separately that goes on there. It's just a bottom plate with the exhaust on it to make it look real even if it flips over. Plus I put a new battery in. So after I bought a soldering iron and some solder. So as soon as I get that all soldered in good, part 4 will probably be like a time trial for this. So thank you for watching part 3 of the rat rod build, and have a good night.